Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you the transformation of plastic bottles of Pantene shampoo. I created a fashion dangling earring design for the spring season, for the Easter and for the summer colors. And these earrings is derived from this plastic bottle of Pantene shampoo. This is a Pantene shampoo, a product of Germany. You can see I cut out from the back side. Look at here, this one. So I just recycled this plastic bottle of Pantene shampoo, and now this is my finished product. And now I'm going to show you how to create this project. All we need is a knife, a scissor, puncher to make holes for the plastic. We need this nail art designer, this one. We need this. We need this primary tools. We have primary tools, 3 pieces. This is the presser, the long nose. This is the cutter, okay? And we have here 3 pieces of these jump rings. We need each of the earrings 3 pieces, and we need a ready-made hook for the earring. This one is the hook, and we need this is a beads, a belt type. You can use any beads as you wish. Then we have here different nail color of nail polish. This one is the green one. This is from Beauty Line, made in Europe. This one is mint green from Trendy Company, and this one, the pink one, is from Gabrini nail polish. This is made in Turkey. And another one, Trendy from Europe, and this is from Shane nail polish. This is, I bought this from the Lidl supermarket in Germany. Okay, so the design of our project look like this. Okay, like this, just a stripe of different colors, 5 different colors. And this is the color for the spring, Easter and summer colors. So I will show you how to paint this one with the use of these 5 colors nail polish. Okay, so from these plastic bottles, look at here, from this Pantene shampoo plastic bottles, I cut out here, okay, with the use of this scissor and with the use of the knife. I cut out first here like this, then after with the use of the scissor. Okay, now this is now already the plastic that I have cut out. So after you cut out like this, make a small piece like this. Okay, make a square type and make 4 pieces like this. So first we have to put two holes from the top and from the bottom, from here and from the side, by using this puncher. This puncher have how many types of sizes, from small to medium to large, so I'm going to use the smallest one. Okay, so put here. Okay, you hear it? So I have already here, and another one from the bottom. Okay, so now it looks like this. Okay, so when you are ready, you have to color the same like this. Okay, so first we have to color, so you have to position your squares. The first color, beginning from this, starting from this point, from this with the holes, you have to make a line, just make a strip. First the mint green, then the green, then the pink one, and the yellow. Okay, so I'm going to use first the mint green. Okay, all you have to do is to just underline like this. Oh, just draw a line just straight forward from the top to bottom, but be careful so that the line will be perfect. Slowly and carefully, okay, so that there will be no mess. Okay, then the next, this is finished. Okay, next is the green. You have to turn it in another color, the green one. Okay, so just a little bit and straight forward from the top to the bottom. Okay, just make a line only, outline only, not much, so that it will look beautiful, because if you make more, become dirty. So finish the green. Now I am going to change the position like this. Look at here, already here, green and the mint green. Now I will use, look at here, and the next is the yellow. Okay, so I'm going to use this yellow. This yellow is from the Trendy company. So just put a line, but don't paint in the center. Avoid the center so that the color will not mix. And now I'll show you. This is it. So we need one more, the pink one. So change the position. So this is finished. The yellow is finished. So I'm going to use the pink one. Okay, this is the pink. This is from the Brini nail polish made in Istanbul. So a little bit of the pink and draw a line. Oh, sorry. Draw a line, little bit only, and also down. Okay, avoid mixing the color. Okay, so this pink color is finished. So we have already here 4 colors. Okay, so I'm going to put a polka dots like this. Look at here, there's a polka dots. So I will show you how to make these polka dots. This is it already. So we need to put the polka dots so we're going to use this nail polish nail art designer. Okay, this one, I'm going to use this one. So I have here the bottle caps of the mineral water. I'm going to put a little bit, 1 drop of this red color like this, little bit of this red color. This is from S.G.M company from Lidl, Germany. So I have already here the red one. Then just make it like this and start from the center just make a dot each of the color, then under another color. So each of the printed stripe you have to put a red dots, because this is our design for our earrings with a little bit of all these 5 colors. Need a little bit more, just a little bit. So we will make a retouch so that it will look beautiful. Be sure that the sizes of your polka dots is uniform, all the same. So this finished. So hold like this. So I'm already finished, it's already done. Okay, so this is how you're going to color your squares. Okay, now I have already here prepared the 2 pieces. Okay, because the other one is already finished. I have already one earring here, so I need to make a partner. So we'll start this one. Look at here. So from this top portion, I'm going to fix the hook. So by using your pliers, hold the ring like this and insert the hook, and you have to insert the plastic square to the ring, and you have to close the ring by using the 2 pliers to hold it like this. Oh Lord, look at this, so that you'll not find difficulty. So hold it and fix it like this. So the earring is already here. Okay, we have our earring. So next I'm going to join the other part. It will look like this. Okay, so next I'm going to open this ring and insert this square right here, and insert the next square. So you have to close the ring, hold from the other side by using your 2 pliers, okay, and adjust the circle. So now we have already here, look. So we will finish, and then first you have to open this ring. This is the last ring, and insert these beads. Okay, these beads have already loops, so just connect it here. Okay, then use your other pliers to hold and fix it here. Okay, close the ring and adjust the wire. So we have already our ready-made, already finished product. This is our project for today. This is the transformation of the plastic bottles from Pantene shampoo. Okay, So this is the Pantene shampoo bottle from, it's a product of Germany, Pantene shampoo. And look here, this is already, I cut out from the back side. So this is the Pantene. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you all for all your support. And this is now our project. Okay, I will hang it here. So this is already the transformation of the Pantene shampoo. Okay, so I hope you learn from this tutorial and get an idea on how to recycle your waste materials at home by recycling and create a different, unique project. And this is it. Okay, so this is already our finished product, a fashion earring made from empty bottle of Pantene shampoo. That's all, and see you again in my next tutorial. Dankeschön.